Sejal and today's video is a Sarojini Nagar haul. So I'm really excited about this. I was recently in Sarojini Nagar and I picked up a lot of stuff. This is all summer stuff since summer is coming and there's no point of buying any winter clothes. And I am so happy about this haul because I got some amazing things. So whenever you go to Sarojini, you feel like you spend a lot of money. You come back home, you try the clothes, you feel like some of them fit, some of them are But this time, everything that I've got is so amazing and I'm super excited to show you all that I've got. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that I've got is this, what I'm wearing here. This is a denim pinafore and it's so cute, and the best thing is this little crisscross thing it has at the back. I never wore a pinafore before. I randomly saw it and I thought I should pick it up. It is a little bit short, but I still like the length. I think with shorts inside it's perfect. It has pockets. There we go, and it's super comfortable, it's stretchy. Let's move on to item number 2. I got some really nice tops over there. It's a plaid off-shoulder top. I've never seen anything like it, and the material is really soft. I'm gonna put it on and show you guys quickly. I think it looks so nice. The best part is that it's very comfortable. It has elastic over here. For Sarojini, if you find soft cloth like this, it's really good. The next buy is this pair of sunglasses. I think they look really cool and only 100 rupees. Generally sunglasses look horrible on me, but I'm pretty happy about this one. Next up we have something really nice. This is one of my favorites. So I picked up this pair of overalls. I think it's super cool and it's also really comfortable and chilled out. And I'm going to overuse this like anything. Also the fact that it's from Sarojini, I wouldn't be scared to like get it dirty or anything. I love the distress part on this the most. Oh, this one is a really cool kimono. It's slightly tight for me, but I still like it. Not the best combination right now, but I think it looks really cool. It has this nice print all over and these tassels also over here. I really like this, and I remember it was really cheap. Okay, next up we have this top. It's just a plain cotton top. It's a really nice baby blue pink, and I love how it has a very nice boxy fit. So it's very like comfortable for the summer. You can breathe in it, run around in it, do cartwheels. Nothing, you don't do cartwheels, will come up to your head. But yeah, it's really comfortable and I like it. Okay, like I said, Sarojini had really awesome off-shoulder tops. If you go there in a few days from now, you'll see amazing off-shoulder tops like these. I've never seen stuff like this on the internet also. It looks like it's made from a formal shirt and we just cut out and made an off-shoulder top of it. Similar to the plaid one, the elastic sleeves, button on the front. Again, I know I'm gonna wear it a lot. Okay, next up we have... I'd initially thought it'll be a denim dress, but it's kind of short. I'm gonna put it on and show you what it looks like. This dress makes me look like I'm naked and I'm not wearing anything. I am wearing shorts. So it is a little bit short, but I still like it, and it desperately needs to be ironed. But I think it's a good like basic for the price that it was. I'd probably wear it with a skirt opened, or maybe just like this with some shorts and a belt. But yeah, I think it's nice. So next up, we have some accessories. I got some really good ones. So this time the accessories I got are amazing. So this pair of earrings are absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. And they were only for 50 rupees. I think they're the best boho earrings I have. Only for 50 rupees. My next pair of earrings is this one. I think it's so gorgeous, and the best part about both of these is that they're huge but they're not heavy. I really like big earrings, but if they're heavy they kind of kill the purpose. You can never wear them, but they're not heavy, and I really like this. And I think I got another pair, if I remember. Let me check. No, I didn't. I was wrong. Okay, moving on. Ooh, this one is my favorite. Look at this. It has pineapples all over. It's so cute. Okay, I'll show you what this looks like. So look at it. I think it's so cute. I love the print, and it has like this deep neck. I need to wear another bra with this. You generally don't find stuff like this in Sarojini. The good thing is that even though it has a plunge neck, it covers up the side bits so that your body parts aren't falling out, and I love it for that. It's a really nice light material. I would still wear shorts underneath, but I think, you know, with a nice pair of like heels like the maroon ones that I have, it looks really cute. This one is also one of my favorites. Everything is a favorite in this video because I got such amazing stuff this time. It's a striped shirt dress. So I think this dress is one of like those really fashionable ones people wear at Fashion Week. If you put on like white sneakers with this, it'll look awesome. Like one of those dresses which don't really fit you like to your shape, but they hang sort of loose. But those kind of dresses tend to get a little too loose and they sort of make your body shape look a little strange, but this one I think doesn't do that at all, and I'm really happy about it. I've got such good stuff from Sarojini this time, I can't believe it. It's also a really nice material, it's cotton, very breathable. Perfect. I forgot 2 more accessories that I had. I'm going to show you guys those very quickly. So it's just a basic Sarojini gold cuff and gold necklace. What is this? A choker, yeah. It's kind of like this oxidized kind of style. I didn't have something like this before. Again, really basic, works really nicely with Indian outfits and even Western ones actually. On to the last buy, which is the best. It is the best. You have to see it. Alright. And it is these shoes. Okay, the real leather. So Sarojini has this shop which sells real leather shoes and sandals, and every time I've been to Sarojini, I've been to that shop. So it sells real leather. That's why it is expensive, but definitely it's much cheaper than real leather that you would find in the mall or with any other brand. I saw these Oxford shoes and I was like, I can't. I need to. They were for 1700 rupees. Expensive for Sarojini standards, but I think for shoes like this, it's perfect because these will last me really long as opposed to anything I get off from a normal website, and they're perfect. So that's it for my haul today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you do. We're over 85,000. We're over 85,000 subscribers, right? I think we are. I don't know. I haven't checked my subscribers today. So yeah, make sure you guys subscribe. Let's get to 100,000 really quickly, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye.